Ted. Now, as a part of my path, in 2015 and 2016, I was working a good job. I'd just been promoted to supervisor over the tool room, which was the tool room built all the equipment and made made the parts that we could, and ordered the parts that we couldn't. Well, found the information and turned it over to the purchasing department. Did all the paperwork. I was a supervisor. I was a tool maker, hired in as a tool maker 6 months earlier, temporary for that 6 months, because it was only supposed to be 3 months, but it was turned into 6 months. My supervisor went out on sick leave, and at the end of that 3 months on sick leave, they had to find somebody to do the job. Myself personally, within a week of knowing that he wasn't going to be back, he was on sick leave, I knew somebody had to step up, and there were 2 of us working at the time, and the tool room was only open for first shift, 6 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. In this job, I was riding the bus to work. I was walking a mile to the bus stop, or if the bus didn't show up, which happened a few times, I would walk down the bus route, even though it was longer to walk the bus route than it would have been to walk straight down the line down Southeastern to get downtown. But I walked the bus route and when the bus got there, I picked up the bus then, and made it to work by 6 a.m. every morning for those 6 months. Usually got there 10 minutes early. And I took over. I just stepped into to do the job, do the work, because I knew the work had to get done, or else the tool room wouldn't function. The paperwork, the taking in the job orders, going out and investigating what needed to actually be done, not just doing what was written on the job order, but going out and getting dimensions and things like that. Okay, at this time of my life was the peak of what I considered the peak of my career, and I was still isolated from anybody other than work, and anybody other than the people that my best friend since I got married, lifelong friend, and until he died, and still to this day I speak with him, my side friend, that neighborhood I moved into.